In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get money back from a PayPal transaction, step by step. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. If you're on mobile, use your browser and go to paypal.com instead of the PayPal app. Some resolution options display more reliably on the website, so this helps keep everything in one place. Sign into your PayPal account, then head to your dashboard. Scroll down until you see recent activity. If you don't see the transaction right away, tap recent activity or click show more to open your full list of transactions. Find and select the payment you're concerned about. Before you go any further, make sure you have a valid reason for a refund request, such as a missing item, a damaged product, or a service that wasn't delivered. Clear reasons help PayPal understand what happened. Click or tap the transaction to expand it and view all the details. Start by contacting the seller directly. Use the message option inside the transaction to explain the issue and ask for a resolution. Keep your message concise and polite and include the essentials like what you ordered, what went wrong, and what outcome you're requesting. Many sellers resolve issues quickly when you reach out through PayPal's messaging. Next, confirm the payment type shown in the transaction. Refunds through PayPal are only possible when the payment was sent using goods and services. If the payment was sent via friends and family, it isn't eligible for PayPal's refund process. In that case, the only way to get your money back is if the recipient agrees to return it voluntarily. If the seller doesn't resolve the problem or stops responding, go back to the transaction details and tap Report a Problem at the bottom. PayPal will guide you through a short flow. Choose the issue that best matches your situation, for example, requesting a refund for items in the order. Select the specific items you want a refund for, then submit the details. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The exact prompts may vary depending on your case, but PayPal will ask for the key information they need to review it. After you submit, wait for PayPal to review your case. They may reach out for more information, so keep an eye on your email and your resolution center. Refunds aren't guaranteed, but PayPal evaluates each case individually and will update you as the review progresses. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.